Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmari, and in today's video I'm gonna be doing a unboxing of this Manicure nail table. I just got it in the mail today, and I was really excited to get this table because I've been wanting to get a nail table for a long time. If you don't know, I recently started doing my nails like 3 months ago, 3 to 2 months ago, and I haven't did my nails recently because I didn't have nowhere to do them. So I was waiting to get the table, and now that I have the table, I can start doing my nails again. I'm just like unboxing it and showing you guys like how I put it together. This is a portable nail table, by the way. And if you're new to my channel and you enjoy watching beauty and lifestyle content, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell to be notified when I upload. And if you're not new, then welcome back to another video. So I'm just taking the table out of the little bubble wrap thingy. And when I first got the package, it was kind of heavy to carry up the stairs and stuff, but to like carry it around, it wasn't too heavy, and all you have to do is like lift the legs open, and it's that easy to put together. You don't need no screws or anything. So this is like a little drawer you can put under the table to like storage your nail stuff. It's very like convenient and stuff. I also like that it has wheels at the bottom of it, so you can like move it wherever you want without scratching up your floors or whatever. At first I thought this table was gonna be too big for the area that I wanted to put it, but it's a perfect fit for where I want it. And it's not too small or anything. It's the perfect size for me. They had other colors and different tables on like Amazon and stuff, but I wanted this one because it was simple and it seemed like it was easy to put together. So now I'm using some cleaning spray to like spray the table and the little dresser and the armrest thing, because like I want to keep it clean. And it's not that I was dirty, it wasn't dirty, I just wanted to like keep it sanitary, I guess. For the armrest, I just kept it at the back of the table because I don't know if I'm doing clients or anything. I'm probably just gonna be doing my nails or my like family members, but until then I just kept it at the back of the table. So this is where I originally stored my like nail like practice fingers and stuff, and my nail tools, and I just kept it on top of my makeup dresser and under like my shelf thingy. But now that I got the table, I can like put it like on the table and keep it organized, and I didn't like know like how I wanted to organize it, so I was just playing around with it and moving stuff around. And I knew that I wanted to keep the lamp on the table, so I just put it in the corner of the table. And I wasn't sure what I wanted to put in a little drawer thingy, but I just kept my nails and stuff and the tip the tip cutters, and I just like played around with it and see where I wanted to put the stuff. I recommend this table if you're in nail school or like cosmetology school and you need a table. I recommend this one because it comes with a bag and you can carry it wherever like you want to go or take it, so it's like really convenient. So I recommend this. So hours and minutes later, after organizing and stuff, this is what the table looks like, and with all my stuff on it. And I am really excited and happy that I have a table, so now I can like start doing my nails and stuff, and I have somewhere to do it. So I just kept like my lamp and my nail drill over there, and I might move some of the stuff around and like get creative and stuff, but this is what it looks like for now. As for now, this is what the drawer looks like, and I just kept like my nails and stuff and files, a couple files and stuff in here, but I might change it around and stuff. I don't know yet, but I'ma just leave it like this for now until I feel like changing it. But I like how organized it is and how it looks. But this is a great table for beginners, and I recommend it if you're a beginner nail tech or you just want to do your nails. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below, leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my social media, and I will see you guys in my next video.